For thunderstorms primarily this afternoon. Could be a couple sprinkles this morning or an isolated storm early afternoon. For Boston, the timing for the line of thunderstorms we're watching is not till 4 to 7 o'clock. We have had numerous sprinkles already this morning. So here's the rain chance. It does surge as we go toward the late afternoon hours. If you're farther to the north and west, it's going to be a little bit earlier than that, as early as say 2 o'clock. But again, an isolated shower is possible before that. Current temperatures mid to the upper 70s out there, which is cooler than this time yesterday. Today is going to be cooler. It is going to be just as humid, though. I mean, the dew points are still in the low 70s, which unfortunately humidity is a fuel source for thunderstorms. Highs today 82 to 87, only 79 to 84 degrees at the Cape, though, and there's that chance for some scattered thunderstorms. Tomorrow evening we could see an isolated storm. Not everyone's going to see that, and then we do have chances for some scattered showers Tuesday and Wednesday, and that does come with a significant cool down. But today's thunderstorms going to be the worst we see over the next couple days. I've got more on the timing of that coming up. Probably the best part of the day, because as we get to the afternoon, that's when things kind of go downhill. Now, early afternoon, we have a chance for some isolated showers, isolated thunderstorms. I'm much more concerned as we get toward the later afternoon hours. Sure, for southwestern New Hampshire, 2 o'clock, you can have some thunderstorms around. For the rest of us, 3 o'clock for northern Worcester County and the rest of southern New Hampshire, you can start to see this line develop, and anytime you get a line like that, that is textbook chance for some wind damage. So we could see some strong to severe thunderstorms, even though most of them are going to be general type. For Boston, the line's going to move through between 4 and 7 o'clock. And then as we get to the southeast coast and the Cape, it's going to be 7, 8, 9, and 10 o'clock. Tomorrow shaping up to be a good day. We could see an isolated storm in the evening, though. Yesterday, I told you, if the severe weather risk gets upgraded, I'd let you know. Yesterday it was 0. Today it's a level 1 out of 5. Again, that translates to most general type thunderstorms are very likely, but the severe weather risk is going to be pretty isolated. Heavy rain's not considered a severe weather risk, but there will be some incredibly heavy rain with this line. Strong wind is the greatest severe weather risk, with a low end chance for some isolated hail. Thankfully, we're not overly concerned with tornadoes. Okay, tracking Debbie here. Still a tropical storm. I warned you yesterday there was a chance that the National Hurricane Center could upgrade this to a hurricane at landfall, and they have now officially done that, and it's a part of the official forecast. So by 2 a.m. Monday morning, Category 1 hurricane. 2 p.m. Monday afternoon, making landfall around the Big Bend of Florida as a weak Category 1 hurricane with 75 miles per hour. They're going to have obvious issues there, hurricane strength winds, very heavy rain. The problem with is after that, it gets downgraded to a tropical storm. But you see how all these icons are jumbled together? That means the forward movement of the storm is slowing down. And when a storm slows down, that means it's over the area even longer, and it's going to lead to immense amount of rainfall through Friday. It's going to be raining most of the week. Northern Florida, we're talking 6 to 12 inches with isolated amounts up to 18. But for coastal Georgia and coastal southern South Carolina, we're talking 10 to 20 inches of rainfall with isolated amounts up to 30 inches through Friday, which is going to cause extensive flash flooding there. For the Big Bend of Florida, the storm surge could be as high as 9 feet above ground. So very serious situation for our friends and family in the southeast. Back here, scattered storms today, mostly dry tomorrow with an evening storm. Scattered showers Tuesday, really cooling down Wednesday, drying out. Thursday, Friday, we're down to the 70s and dry. The remnants of the storm could track up the East Coast and bring us some wet weather as we head into next weekend.
Well, things given away.
Families were able to stock up on supplies as they get ready to send their children back to class. 7's Mari Salazar has the story.